If you're a real estate investor, realtor, a mortgage broker, or a wholesaler, watch this video to get 5 tips how can you grow your business online. Hey guys, I'm Sahas. I'm a real estate investor and I also own a digital marketing company. In this video, I'll give you 5 tips how can you identify different platforms where you can grow your business online. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates on digital marketing. A lot of real estate investors, wholesalers, mortgage brokers scratch their head to know what platform should they start investing into so that they can generate leads. Is it the websites or the Facebook page or the Instagram page or a LinkedIn profile, or should simply look into Google ads first? I know it could be a little confusing, but I'm in this video going to help you out to ease your confusion and get you all the tools and tactics to get you started. So let's get started with the websites first. So the website is the first point of contact for anyone to check your credibility or authenticity over the internet before getting in touch with you. So you should definitely have a website first. But like I said, don't fall in love with your website. Let the website do its job and get you the results what you desire. Depending on the goal of your business, the website could be as simple yet high converting as a squeeze page, which can give you higher conversions. Or else you can have a multi-tab website with blog and whatnot. It all depends, like what exactly do you want from your website to do for you. And remember, don't always question what exactly you want. Look into what your customers want. That will help you to build a website around. If you want your website to give you higher conversions, it is not necessary to have multi-tab website. You can have as simple as a squeeze page. That will definitely do the job and get you the results that you desire. Now the second platform is the Facebook. Facebook has more than 1.4 billion active users.
1.4 billion
active users daily, and 90 million businesses are registered on Facebook. According to the recent stats, Facebook is providing the highest ROI, that is the return on investment, to the companies which are marketing on Facebook, which means you have to have a business page on Facebook and start posting content along with start running ads to get the maximum ROI out of your business page on Facebook. I'm going to dedicate one video completely on Facebook ads, which will help you understand how can you run your ads on Facebook and generate the leads that you're looking for. The recent stat says that Facebook will see 7% growth in the users from 65 and above. Now the third platform is Instagram. Instagram is the second largest social media platform in the world after Facebook. So it definitely has potential advertising reach to over 850 million users. On an average, a user spends 28 minutes daily on Instagram and has a majority of age group between 21 to 45 years of age. So given the fact that Instagram has majority of age group between 21 to 45, so make sure your content is relevant to those who are in this kind of age group, and so which is why it is very essential when you are choosing a platform, your content has to be repurposed according to the platform that you are posting it on. So make sure of that. The fourth is Google. Whether you want to find the height of CN Tower or you want to sell your house privately, we all rely on Google to do that for us. Google is highly intent-based platform. It will show you the results in the form of images, videos, or websites based on the search term you are putting in the search bar. It would show a mix of search ads, display ads, and organic results. The organic results based on the on and off page SEOs for the website. So in order to be present on Google, it is essential first thing you have a website and make sure you have SEO or running Google ads so that you come in front of the right audience. Now the fifth and the last platform that we are going to talk about here is LinkedIn. If you are in business or a working professional, you got to be on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is the world's biggest social media platform for professionals. Just in Canada, there are more than 15 million registered users on LinkedIn. Now LinkedIn has a huge variety of services to offer, varying from a professional, a business sales, or a recruiter. Depending on what role or profession you are targeting, LinkedIn is the best for professionals and businesses. Almost 40% of LinkedIn users pay for LinkedIn Premium. LinkedIn is great in generating leads. So much so that HubSpot found out that LinkedIn is 277% more effective in generating leads than Facebook or Twitter. Since you guys have been so patiently listening to all those platforms that I'm talking about, I thought of throwing in YouTube as well for you guys. YouTube is the second most preferred platform to watch videos on TV within the age group of 18 to 34. By 2022, online videos will make up to 82% of all consumer internet traffic, which is 15 times higher than what it was in 2017. So video is definitely a way ahead for sure. 70% of what people watch on YouTube is determined by the recommendation algorithm of YouTube. The point of making this video is to tell you guys that each platform has its role to play. Hey, now don't panic. You don't have to be everywhere at once. Start with a website and pick one social media platform to begin with. Remember, every platform has its audience, feel, and environment. This is where the content repurposing comes into the picture to sync in with the audience of that particular platform. This service is something that we provide to our clients to help them repurpose their content for different platforms they choose. Guys, if you think you got some value out of this video, please don't hesitate to press the like button and subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Well, sharing is caring, right? For any of your digital marketing questions or queries, you can put down your questions on the comment section below, or you can also reach me at Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn, for which I have mentioned somewhere on the screen. Stay tuned for the next videos in the series. Till then, take care.